So we got a fuel problem. I'm not gonna do a bunch of editing and stuff like that. This actually kind of took me a bit to get done, and I need the vehicle now, so we're just gonna hammer right into it. Okay, so Johnny changed the fuel filter, and it was kind of getting a little bit boggy, so we figured we'd start there. It worked for a little bit, then it started. It would start, and then it would run for a couple miles, and then it would leave you abandoned. So what we ended up doing was doing some research on that, and when that happens, it is your fuel relay. It'll, if you I gotta get under here, show you guys where's that sat. Okay, so right there is your fuel relay. Front one is your fuel relay, and this is firing. So we replaced that, just grabbed it off the other one. We've got 389s here, so we just figured, okay, well, just get it done. So that worked for a little bit, then it stopped. Okay, so we researched that, and we were told to switch out these relays. They're also above. This fuse box just came down because it was just easier. So we replaced that. That didn't work. It was just a troubleshooting thing, and I just figured, okay, well, I'll just switch it, and then I know. Remember, I've got multiples of all these, right? So that didn't work, and then they were like, well, maybe it's to your in the throttle body there. So we took everything off. Oh, sorry. Like I said, this is a one-shot video. If I could figure out my own hood. Where the... Okay, oh, there's snow got in there. Okay, so this is the injector, and we thought, well, maybe the injector got, shot somehow. So if you take off this cap, these two screws here, there's a red and I believe a yellow wire, and they go back to your computer, and the problem can lay somewhere in between there. So we checked that, and oh, that's all good. So then we have to link it back to the computer, and actually for this year, there was a lot of guys that said just, if you look underneath here, these plugins sometimes came loose. So check that too. I guess there was a lot of guys that replaced computers when all it was that it just wasn't plugged in all the way. It popped out somehow or whatever. So check that too. So everything's fine there, so it's got to be wiring, working my way back to the fuel pump, because I don't want to dump the tank and all that crap. So rust points all along. Most people have their rockers gone, blah blah blah. And down here is the plug-in. Nice and rusty, eh? Okay, so because there's a rust point now, moisture, gravel, all that crap gets into here. You'll notice this pink and black wire is your fuel pump. Okay, and it goes, oh, I can barely get it in there. It goes to the middle back in there. It's hard to focus. Okay, well anyways, that is entirely blue. Now the rest of the wires are actually fine, absolutely perfect. I gave them a quick cleaning, and they were great. But that one was just corroded, like full of blue. And actually, if I still have it, which I don't think I do. No, I don't. Oh, there it is. That is the piece of wire. Look how blue that is. My phone's not focusing for some reason. Okay, see all that blue? That's corrosion. And this actually just fell out. So, okay, I figured, okay, well, that'll be a quick fix. I'll just take that connector and I'll cut it out and put in another connector, right? Well, no, because all three of my 89s have the exact same spot that is corroded up. All the other wires are fine, but just that one for the fuel pump is rotten, and like I said, like just overflowing with blue corrosion. Okay, so that's after that we just kind of quickly hooked them together, and the vehicle started no problem, just like it used to. So that's the fix. Now, if it wasn't the fix, the next one to go to is to travel down that pink and black wiring for your power. You probably have to drop the tank to do it, you know, where you can see what you're doing and stuff, and you'll have to test between that wire process. If not, well, it's your fuel pump. And yeah, so sorry wasn't any music or bells and whistles, but that was a fix, and hope you guys like it. It was just a quick blast. I gotta get out there with this thing and do some stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that jazz, and hope you guys have an awesome day.